Alright.
Hi, this is the presentation of Group 16 scale. We're using a linear displacement spring with a Nichrome wire and then using a voltage divider there to determine how far down the spring has been displaced. Up here we have our power and our ground, which runs through the Nichrome wire. We then measure the voltage drop across this portion of the wire with this one and a ground down here, which is passed to our DAC, and then the DAC passes that voltage drop again across this portion of the wire to the lab view.
And then in the lab view, we have our DAC values coming in right here. So we got our V out from there. And then we have a little sub VI right here that uses our static sensitivity from our experimental calibration curve to get a mass reading, which is what we end up outputting. And then that goes to a shift register. And when our tariff function is pressed, when it's pressed, we get the average of the 5 values right here and divide by 5 to get an average that gets it close to 0. And then if it's not pressed, we just use the old value from the shift register and run it through again to our output. So as you can see right here, when we press our tare, it brings it down to 0 using that average. And then now onto our scale.
So here we have a 16 gram weight. When you put it in the scale, it reads approximately 16 grams. I'm gonna now put another additional 17 grams for a total of 35-ish, 33-ish, and there you go.
And that shows that our scale is able to measure past its designed range of 0 to 30 grams and go up to the range of around 33. So yeah, we're group 16. Thank you very much.
Perfect.